मैं तो माफ़ी चाहता हूं कि मैं भी कुछ अंग्रेजी में ही कहूँगा. His Excellency Sri Anil Wadhwa, Professor Gopi Chand, members of the Indian Social Wing, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the fellow lovers of Urdu language, arts and poetry, I stand here to pay tribute to Mr. Humayun Zafar Zaidi, who passed away recently in Delhi, in India. Humayun Bhai, as he was affectionately known, was a wonderful person, a man of letters, a man of distinction, who truly embodied the spirit of cultural ecosystem of Oman. Mr. Zaidi was a student of the Aligarh Muslim University and was a contemporary of the likes of Mr. Nasruddin and many other noted writers and performers. He started his career in Saudi Arabia and moved to Oman in early 90s. He was served as a lecturer in various colleges in Oman, and until his demise a couple of months ago, was a faculty at the Jamia Millia University in New Delhi. Humayun Bhai enriched the cultural and performing arts scene in Oman. He was instrumental in making Mushaira a memorable event in the annual cultural calendar of Oman. His rapport and personal friendship with several leading poets and artists in the subcontinent immensely benefited the Urdu language residents of Oman, where we had some leading luminaries who rendered their poetry and performed in Oman. He was responsible for hosting several events and several personalities who he brought here, which included Lord Meghnad Desai, member of the British Parliament, Saeed Naqvi, the journalist, Karan Thapar, Javed Akhtar, Shabana Azmi, Khushwant Singh, and a host of other speakers and celebrities. I recall my meeting at a dinner with Humayun Bhai and Ahmed Faraj Sahab at the Taj Mansingh in Delhi, where we spent together. Unfortunately, who knew that would be the last meeting for both of them with me? Humayun Bhai left an indelible impact on the cultural landscape of Oman. He was a cultural hero who embodied the spirit of exploration and enterprise in Urdu poetry and its rendition, especially in the Mushaira format. We miss you, dear friend, and may Allah rest your soul in peace. Thank you.